ENPH stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Enphase stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Like, no one else in the stock trading space has come close to making 43,000 videos like these over 5 years and documenting them all. Genuinely still speaking about ENPH, I was like, I want to see a second break beneath this low, and I got it. I got it. Break-evens have been put immediately. And it's just like a risk-free opportunity to see whether it's going to actually deliver and give me the take profit, right? When I say risk-free, bro, in risk-free situations, the worst thing that can happen, it just comes back down, hits break-even, which is technically zero, right? Or it hits my plus 3R. Easy, right? It's just like a quick one. It's not that I'm like a long-term bearish or I'm expecting this to hit zero. No, because it's been melting. I'm just looking to double down quickly, squeeze something and then bounce out. But yeah, I will still continue to keep you updated. This is not me saying, okay, go ahead and please do this. This is my subjective opinion. It's not financial advice. If you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I'll keep you updated. Goodbye.